Are you looking for a simple and efficient way to pay remote employees across the globe? In this quick Deel guide, I'll show you exactly how to pay your remote team with Deel and why this software can save you both time and money. Whether you're hiring freelancers or building a global workforce, Deel has you covered. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share how you can access an exclusive extended free trial. Let's get started. First things first, Deel is a platform that makes managing international teams and payments a breeze. When you sign up, you'll be able to pay employees and contractors worldwide without the usual headaches of dealing with taxes, compliance issues, or currency conversion. Once you've set up your account, the first step is adding your remote employees. Deel supports a variety of countries, so whether you have a contractor in Europe or a full-time employee in Asia, Deel can handle the local regulations. Simply input their information, including their payment preferences, and Deel takes care of the rest. You can onboard multiple team members quickly, so scaling up your remote team is incredibly simple. Now let's talk about paying your employees. Deel allows you to pay your remote workers via different methods: bank transfer, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. You select the preferred method for each employee, ensuring they get paid the way they want. And no matter where they are, Deel converts the currency for you, saving you from dealing with complex exchange rates. One of the best features of Deel is that it automates compliance with local laws, which is crucial when managing remote teams from different countries. Deel automatically calculates and processes taxes, social contributions, and benefits according to local regulations. This takes a huge burden off your shoulders and ensures you stay compliant without having to hire a dedicated payroll team or spend time navigating international laws. For those of you paying contractors, Deel offers a great tool to generate contracts quickly and make sure they are legally binding in the contractor's country. With just a few clicks, you can send contracts, track signatures, and set payment terms. Deel also keeps everything organized, giving you a centralized hub where you can manage all your global contracts and payments from one dashboard. Another important benefit of Deel is its transparency. Employees and contractors can easily track their payments and check their contract details, ensuring clear communication between you and your team. This level of transparency can really boost morale and improve your working relationship with remote staff. Let's talk about why Deel is so ideal for remote teams. One of the challenges of paying international employees is ensuring that you're meeting local tax requirements, and Deel has you covered with automated tax calculations for every country. This is especially important if you're hiring in multiple regions, as each country has its own set of rules when it comes to payroll taxes. Deel will automatically adjust and ensure that your remote employees are paid according to the local laws. Now, I promised you an exclusive offer. If you want to try Deel completely free and access an extended trial with all its features, click the first link in the description below. Deel's platform is packed with tools to help you manage your team, handle payments, and stay compliant with ease, all while saving you time. Plus, with our exclusive deal, you get more time to experience everything Deel has to offer risk-free. To wrap up, Deel is an all-in-one solution for paying remote employees with the added benefits of automation, compliance, and transparency. Whether you're managing contractors or full-time employees across different countries, Deel simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial using the link below and start paying your remote employees with Deel today.